Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to this YOTON Y9 projector. It's a 4K Netflix Prime Video YouTube official portable projector in Wi-Fi connectivity possibility. We have here 12,000 lumens. It's a smart projector with zoom function, for example. It is in 2024 updated version with built-in Dolby surround and Hulu and Netflix and so on. This upgraded version of the YOTON smart projector has the official license of Netflix and more than 1,000 plus apps. Once connected to the Wi-Fi network, the projector can access a large number of built-in stream apps: Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Hulu, YouTube Kids, Toon Googles, Tiki Live, DocuBaby, and Metax television without needing a television sticks or an adapter. So that's cool, because we have here a projector, a video projector, which can handle nearly all streaming apps on the market, and you does not need anything except, of course, Wi-Fi network with internet connectivity. But you have more. With the native full HD 1920 to 1080 resolution and the real brightness of 450 ANSI lumens, the YOTON projector allows us to watch movies not only low light conditions, but also during the day. The full HD projector is powered by a smart chip that allows us to watch 4K videos within stream. And the projector used the latest LTPS LCD image technology to project a 40 inches up to 200 inches large screen. The 30% zoom function allows us to easily adjust the screen size. The image can be from 100% up to 70% without moving the projector. 4P Keystone correction helps us adjust the projector image from 4 points. And the Y9 projector is equipped with a two-way Bluetooth module that allows us to connect the projector to our mobile phone, Android, as an independent stereo speaker, or pair it with external Bluetooth speakers, headphones, audio, and equipped with Dolby audio, no problem, to create a home theater with a 360-degree stereo sound environment. Of course, the Bluetooth projector only supports audio, not video transmission, of course. And this updated Y9 projector is compatible with your game console, like the Xbox, the newest one, and so on, the PlayStation, the newest one, and the older one, with USB stick. And a big bunch of possibilities, because there is an HDMI port and a USB port, and of course Wi-Fi connectivity. The Wi-Fi connectivity is possible with the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, which provides a more stable and smooth network environment. You have here a smart projector, a Y9. The YOTON makes every family have their exclusive home cinema at home. We have app built-in, 1080p native resolution, 5.2 Bluetooth version, zoom factor, Dolby Atmos, and 5 and 2.4 GHz network. The projector has a huge number of built-in apps to enjoy our exclusive movie night. This upgraded projector, in addition to the original official license Netflix and Prime Video and YouTube, adds Disney Plus, Hulu, and over 1,000 other app streaming media licenses. We say goodbye to expensive television devices. We download various video apps by ourselves and enjoy the film night. And the 2024 upgraded native smart projector comes with 1080p and 450 ANSI. The upgraded version provides a native 1080p picture quality and supports a playback of 4K videos. We image are Details and colors are vibrant without causing irritations or eye fatigue. We can see 50% better color reproduction and NTSC color gamut projector. It gives us a more realistic visual impact while we enjoy the cinema experience at home. And it's not only a projector, but also a Bluetooth stereo speaker. We create an immersive home theater. We connected Bluetooth audio better than watching without sound, of course. 3D with two-way Bluetooth and dual speakers, the YOTON Projector Y9 meets more our audio needs. And it works with Wi-Fi 6 with more than 1,800 megabit per second. The Wi-Fi projector features the latest Wi-Fi networks. We say goodbye to lagging connections. And then we can add it immediately to our network and have fun with it. We have 5-watt 2x speakers, a smart system, artificial intelligence. We can connect to 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. And it's an upgraded smart projector by YOTON. This is the YOTON video projector Y9. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. And you can use it with a remote or with the buttons on the device. And you can connect it to a tripod. Really cool features.